date beta you have to write the complete date. Don't write this incompletely. That's wrong. Okay. Then receiver's address. Okay. First you have to write whom you are writing. Okay. If suppose you are mentioning the complaint, then you can write the manager. Okay. Write the firm name here. Or company name you can say, and then place where it is. If you are writing letter to the editor, then write here the editor. Okay, beta, if suppose the newspaper name is not mentioned, okay, in the your question, then you can write any 3 newspaper name. That is, either you write Times of India, either you can write Hindustan Times or the Tribune. Okay, so that's your wish. So write here suppose the Hindustan Times or Times of India. That's your wish. Don't write here XYZ. Okay, then write here. Okay. Now here you have to write the manager, write its company name and then place or the department of whom it is. Okay. Then next, after this comes beta salutation. First, in receiver address, first what you have to mention, post. हायर पोस्ट. ओके, जैसे आप यहां पे लिखते हैं तो द प्रिंसिपल लिखते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज सैल्यूटेशन, रिस्पेक्टेड सर, और यू कैन राइट हियर. ओके, एनी वन यू कैन राइट, दैट्स योर विश. ओके. So after this, subject. In subject, what is the need of writing the letter? That subject you have to mention and then you can start your letter from here. Beta, in letter, the most important thing you have to keep in mind is your, don't start the letter directly from pronoun. I, this and this. No. Either you write this is to inform you, or you are writing the editor letter then through the esteemed column of your newspaper. I would like to draw. ये एक अलग बात है बेटा, लेकिन डायरेक्टली आप कभी स्टार्टिंग प्रोनाउन से नहीं करेंगे. ओके, डोंट स्टार्ट इट विथ प्रोनाउन. ओके, इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ सी देयर. Beta, when you are writing letter to editor, just give your suggestion also what measures should be taken. ठीक है, क्या स्टेप हो सकते हैं करेक्शन के लिए, that you should mention it. Okay, last में write here. Thanking you, yours sincerely. Write your name and sign. Suppose the name is not mentioned, then what you will write here? XYZ. Okay? Like here you can write XYZ Nagar Examination Hall or XYZ Nagar New Delhi. The same here XYZ. Okay? Clear everyone? This much is clear to everyone? So if you want, you can write it. Now see, let us discuss few letters. Again I am telling beta, don't start the letter with the pronoun. Now see, suppose you want to place an order. order of books. Okay. Now in the official letter I am discussing. Okay. तो first क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? First tell me first writer's address. Now if in the question it is not mentioned, then what you will write here? XYZ Nagar, New Delhi. Okay. Now that's the pin code. Okay. Clear everyone? Then afterwards write the date. Okay. Suppose the date is today's date. Suppose you write 13 January 20. Okay. Clear everyone? Then for what you are writing the letter, the placing the order. तो आप बेटा हमेशा ये देखा करो कि आप लेटर किस पर्पज से लिख रहे हैं. अब यहाँ पे आप सेल्स पर्पज के लिए लिख रहे हैं कि आपको बुक परचेज करनी है, तो जेन्युइन है. आप किसे कांटेक्ट करोगे? सेल्समैन को. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे लिखोगे द सेल्स मैनेजर ओके. दिस पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू कीप इन द माइंड. सपोज सेल्स मैनेजर कौन से पब्लिकेशंस, कुछ भी पब्लिकेशंस यू कैन राइट हियर. सपोज the Jindal, or you can write Arihant Publications. Okay. New Delhi and write its pin code. Okay. New Delhi. Then what is the subject? Subject is order of books. So write here order of books. Okay. Clear everyone? Then after this order for books. आप ऑर्डर करना चाहते हैं बुक्स का ना, सो ऑर्डर फॉर करेंगे. ऑर्डर फॉर बुक्स. ओके. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स सर, now don't start from pronoun. Again I am telling, don't start from pronoun. Right here. This is to inform. Okay. फिर this is to inform that our school wants to place an order. Okay. Order, ठीक है, of your books for library. Okay. Then write here the order is as follows, and here you will write here subject. Okay. That you have to write your own here subject. आपको अपने आप अपने subject लिखने हैं. ठीक है. And write here number of copies. आप कितनी कॉपीज चाहते हैं, तो सब्जेक्ट का नेम लिखोगे. ठीक है. उस बुक का नेम लिखेंगे. ओके. और फिर यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज लाइक 30, 20 जितने भी आपको चाहिए, 10, 15 जितने भी चाहिए उतने आप 4, 5 एटलीस्ट आप बुक्स लिखेंगे. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद में लिखेंगे काइंडली सेंड ओके, काइंडली सेंड अस अ कैटलॉग as well as you want to know also कि पास में कौन कौन सी बुक्स हैं, ठीक है, एज वेल एंड ऑल्सो नाउ अगर आप इतनी सारी बुक्स ऑर्डर करोगे तो आपको डिस्काउंट भी चाहिए, सो द सेम ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट हेयर दैट एंड ऑल्सो टेल अस द discount, okay, how much you want that is offered on the on the given mentioned books, ठीक है, जो बुक्स आपने मेंशन की है उस पे और प्लस जो आप कैटलॉग है उस पे कितना दोगे, सो ऑन दोस बुक्स, ओके, सो दोनों आपको चाहिए ना, सो राइट हियर बोथ बुक्स, ओके, देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट आप किसके थ्रू भेजना चाहते हो, ठीक है, मोड ऑफ पेमेंट बाय कैश चाहते हो या डिलीवरी कैश पे चाहते हो और बाय चेक या अभी आपको डिलीवरी दी अभी आपको पेमेंट की जाए, सो एवरीथिंग यू विल मेंशन हियर, ओके, देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स सो यू कैन राइट हियर मोड ऑफ पेमेंट एंड हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक फॉर द डिलीवरी. How much? It will take, okay, for the delivery. So you can write here thanks and write your name, yours, faithfully or sincerely, that's your wish, X, Y, Z. Okay, clear everyone? I hope this letter is clear to you. So note down fast. Now see, now one more letter we are discussing. This is how to place an order that we have discussed, okay. Now next is your like for example replacement or defective, if complaint is there then you can mention it in product, let us suppose washing machine, okay. Then how to do, okay, this by an example only I am telling. First write your address, okay, then afterwards like for example XYZ examination hall, okay, right, suppose today's date is 13th January 20XX, okay, this will remain as it is. Then to whom, suppose this is washing machine I have taken, that means electronic shop, okay, or electronic store, so you can mention example, Main Gupta electronic store. Okay, New Delhi. Okay, then after this, what's the subject? You want to register the complaint? Okay, so you can write here or replace an order, what you want, just mention that. Okay, after this, respected, or you can directly start also by sir. Okay, respected sir or your wish, then you can start from here. Okay, this is to that. Don't start it from pronoun. This is to inform that I have purchased a washing machine on this date. ठीक है? And this is the default. It is not replaced till yet. जो भी है आपकी terms and conditions you have to write down. But don't start it from pronoun. Either write this is to inform or through the esteemed column of your newspapers. Okay, now I hope now this much is clear to everyone. So we have discussed also one letter. I hope in this video you are able to know how to write the letter. Now suppose when we are writing a letter to editor, okay, regarding the poor drainage system or the maintenance of the park, that they are not maintaining it properly. So first what you will write, tell to me. First, very good. First, your place, okay, that will remain as the same. If it is not mentioned, you can write there examination hall, okay. Then write date, okay. Then date again complete you will write, okay. Then there the editor. If newspaper name is not mentioned, mention either Hindustan Times or Times of India. Either from the two, any one you can mention. Okay, so mention here. The Hindustan Times, okay. New Delhi. What was the subject? Maintenance of your park. Okay, so that complete you have to write. Then afterwards, respected sir. Okay, then this line will remain as it is through the esteemed column of your newspapers. I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities toward this. ठीक है, ये आपका एड्रेस रहेगा. फिर इसके अंदर आपके आ जाएंगे आपके जो लूप होल्स रहे हैं, ठीक है, लूप होल्स या ये कह सकते हो जो ड्रॉबैक्स रहे हैं, ठीक है, दैट यू विल राइट हियर कि व्हाट आर द रिजल्ट फॉर इट. ओके, okay, then you will write the drawbacks. What are the drawbacks regarding it? Then after the drawbacks you will write here also measures. What you will, ये लास्ट जो पैराग्राफ है इसके अंदर आप लिखोगे measures और suggestions कि आप क्या steps हो सकते हैं, concerned authorities को क्या steps लेनी चाहिए. ठीक है, उसके बाद में आप एंडिंग में लिखेंगे थैंकिंग यू. ठीक है, थैंकिंग यू के बाद लिखोगे योर्स ट्रूली. ठीक है, और उसके बाद में अपना नेम. दिस मच इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ आई होप द लेटर्स आर क्लियर टू यू. So tomorrow we will discuss another topic. Okay. So keep the points in the mind beta and don't forget the format.